Hello guys, it's Hadris with WTI and I have this brush for my hair. This is super soft. I love how it scratches my hair and how comfortable it feels. I sometimes use it to scratch myself because I really like its softness. And when I wash my hair, it's a big plus because I just have to rub it well all over my scalp and it gets clean. I also find a way to hold it very practical. My fingers won't hurt from applying too much pressure or anything like that. Since it has all these parts raised, it makes it much more cozy to clean because it reaches everywhere. It's very comfortable to use with both hands, so if you want to wash your hair in a gentle way, this is a great option. And this is my point of view.